Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, so finally tomorrow on 21st January 2021, Joe Biden is going to take the oath of President of United States of America, defying all the Vedic astrologers and most of the tarot card readers, including me. So, how will be his presidency, especially year 2021? How will be his relationship with China, India, Pakistan? So this reading is for that. So, first of all, his present. What is he thinking right now about presidency? Challenging, and he will have to do a lot to overcome those challenges, but he is at an advantageous position and he will do well. How well? First 3 months from 21st January till 31st March, magician card. So looks like whatever orders Trump has given, he will revoke all those orders. He will do lots of things in till 31st March. Then April to June looks good, and July to December. So from April onwards, his concentration will be more on economy than anything else. Then how will be his relationship? First with Pakistan. So these three cards clearly suggest that he is going to be supportive, more supportive of Pakistan than Donald Trump in comparison to Donald Trump. And yes, when it comes to FATF or other things, he is certainly going to support Pakistan. China. Right now, he takes China as main competitor. And I think he also, looking at this card, Justice card, he also agrees with Donald Trump's trade policy with China. So, but Joe Biden's relationship with China will be far more better than Donald Trump. So, China-USA relationship is going to improve in the year 2021. Then India-US relationship. Queen of Cups indicates that yes, he is bullish about his relationship with India, but when it comes to relationship with Modi, how will it be? Confrontational relationship. Now, what kind of confrontations? Well, recently I had heard the news that India will be buying arms from Russia, over which USA has an objection. So that might be a part. Apart from that, lots of things are there where India and US don't agree. So, and both even Modi is very strong leader, so he is not going to bow down in front of Biden. So of course there will be some kind of confrontation. But looking at this card, how will be overall relationship in the year 2021? Adjustments. When there is confrontation, the only solution to a confrontation is adjustment. You do certain adjustments, we do certain adjustments. That's how we move forward. Because relationship between India and US is not going to be very smooth. So lots of adjustments are going to be required, and that will happen. So how will be the start? Death card. So kind of new beginning, total new beginning for Joe Biden. But fate is with him. All he is required to do is to take initiatives, be proactive to be successful in the year 2021. So that's it. Hope you all like the reading. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.